On the left-hand side, go to Text, and then click Add a Text Box. If you want to change the font of this text, go to the top and click the font. So depending on if you're a free user or a pro user, you can upload your own fonts or brand kit if you're a pro user. If you are a free user, you can use some of the more popular fonts that Canva has provided for you. And you can change it to your own liking. Now, if you have a specific font that you have in mind, you can also type it in here. And Canva will do its best to populate the font that you want. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.